Hello and welcome! We are so excited to show you something special today. Welcome to your English journey. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadullah. Today, we are talking about the most exciting project you will ever work on, yourself.
Many people feel stuck. They feel like they cannot move. But the truth is, you can change your life at any moment, and we will show you how to do it while you learn English.
That's right. Whether you are walking, cooking, or drinking tea, this episode is for you. It's for anyone who wants more confidence, more progress, and more happiness.
Asadullah, you often say something very honest about being stuck. Can you share that?
Yes, Sarah. I know what it feels like to look at your life and think, this is not what I wanted. I have been there. So everything we talk about today comes from the heart.
And that is why we use the word transform. It's a strong word. It means to change something completely. Think of a caterpillar. It is small and slow, but it transforms into a beautiful butterfly. That is transformation.
I love that. Sometimes we feel like that caterpillar, inside something small and uncomfortable. We don't know that we are about to become something beautiful.
Let's start with a powerful idea. Your life today is the result of your past choices. The books you read, the food you ate, the people you talked to.
That can feel uncomfortable. It means I cannot blame my city or my job for everything. It's my choices.
Exactly. But there is a good side. If your past choices created today, your new choices can create a completely new tomorrow. You are the author of your story.
An author is a person who writes a book. Right now, you are holding the pen. Every day is a new page. What will you write today?
Let's talk about identity. This is who you believe you are deep inside. It's the story you tell yourself.
Many people say, I want to speak English. But a wish is not an identity. I used to say, I want to be a runner, but I never ran. Then something shifted. It moved.
What shifted for you?
I stopped saying I want to be and started saying I am. I am a runner. I am an English learner. It sounds small, but it is huge. When you say I am, your brain starts to believe it.
This is an identity shift. It's the foundation, the base of a building. If the foundation is strong, everything you build on it is strong.
So if you are listening, say it now. I am an English learner. I am growing every day. Now look around you. This is your environment, your home, your phone, the people you talk to. It shapes your brain quietly.
If you open a news app and feel scared, your brain starts the day with stress. But what if you changed your phone language to English? I did that 2 years ago. At first it was confusing, but then it became automatic. It happened without thinking.
And what about people? They say you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are your friends contagious? Does their energy spread to you in a good way?
This leads to micro habits. Micro means very, very small.
Like the 1% rule. If you get 1% better every day, at the end of the year, you are 37 times better.
Reading one page is a micro habit. Learning one word is a micro habit. It's not about the page, it's about proving to your brain that you are a learner. Every action is a vote for the new you. But change is not always comfortable. Sometimes you feel resistance. It's a force that pushes against you. When you feel lazy or tired, your brain is trying to go back to what is familiar, what is known and safe. Resistance is not a sign of failure. It is a sign that you are changing. When you feel it, be kind to yourself. Use compassion. Don't say, I'm stupid. Say, it's okay. Today was hard. Tomorrow is a new day. Many listeners ask, I start a habit, but after 3 days I stop. Why?
That is a great question. It is because of the valley of disappointment. When we start, we expect progress to be a straight line up, but in reality, nothing happens for a long time.
Yes, it's like heating an ice cube. If the room is 25 degrees, the ice doesn't melt. 26 degrees? Nothing. 30 degrees? Still nothing. But at 32 degrees, it suddenly starts to melt.
All the work you did from 25 to 31 degrees was not wasted. It was being stored. You were building the energy. So if you are studying English and you don't feel fluent yet, don't worry. You are just at 30 degrees.
Keep going. Don't stop at 31. The breakthrough is coming. We talked about the physical environment, but what about the digital environment?
This is huge. Most people spend 4 hours a day on social media. If that content is negative, your life feels negative.
I have a challenge for our listeners. Go to your following list. If an account makes you feel not good enough or sad, unfollow them.
And follow accounts that teach you something. Follow people who speak English clearly. When you scroll, you should feel inspired, not tired.
Here is your simple plan for tomorrow. Let's go deeper into each step.
Step 1. Morning reflection. When you wake up, do not look at your phone. Ask, who am I becoming? For example, say, today I am becoming a person who is calm and focused.
Step 2. One difficult task. This is what we call eating the frog. Do the hardest thing first. If learning 5 new words is hard, do it at 8 a.m.
Step 3. Evening gratitude. Write 3 things you are thankful for. Not big things like, I won the lottery, but small things. I am thankful for the hot coffee. I am thankful for the sunset.
This changes your brain to look for the good.
Now it is time for our favorite part, the word tour. This is where we master the English words from today's episode.
Listen to the word, listen to the meaning, and then repeat it out loud.
1. Transform. Transform. It means to change completely.
Example, English will transform your career. Now you repeat. Transform.
2. Caterpillar. Caterpillar. The small insect that becomes a butterfly.
Example, the caterpillar is slow, but it has a great future. Now you repeat. Caterpillar.
3. Foundation. Foundation. The base or the bottom part of a building.
Example, a strong identity is the foundation of success. Now you repeat. Foundation.
4. Contagious. Contagious. Something that spreads from person to person.
Example, laughter is contagious. Now you repeat. Contagious.
5. Automatic. Automatic. Doing something without thinking.
Example, walking becomes automatic after we learn it. Now you repeat. Automatic.
6. Resistance. Resistance. A force that stops you or pushes against you.
Example, do not let resistance stop your dreams. Now you repeat. Resistance.
7. Compassion. Compassion. Being kind and understanding to yourself or others.
Example, we need more compassion in this world. Now you repeat. Compassion.
8. Momentum. Momentum. The power that keeps a moving object moving.
Example, once you start, you will build momentum. Now you repeat. Momentum.
9. Consistent. Consistent. Doing something the same way over a long time.
Example, be consistent with your English practice. Now you repeat. Consistent.
10. Flourish. Flourish. To grow or develop very well.
Example, your talents will flourish with hard work. Now you repeat. Flourish.
You did a great job today. Remember, the word tour is just the beginning.
Consistency is the magic. Doing it regularly, even when it's hard. If you feel hopeless, remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now.
You are not too late. You are exactly where you need to be. Every word you learn today is a step forward.
Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please share this episode with one person who needs to hear this. And subscribe to English Master Podcast and hit the bell icon.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep growing. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Asadullah. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a good day.